Hi guys, welcome to another NPower video. In this video we are going to show you how to work with posts and pages and for e-commerce products. In every website there are ever going to be posts and pages. Refer to your manual to refresh your memories on what posts and pages are. This is just a demo or practice area. So for this website that has been installed and demo content imported, these are the posts that we have. Okay, we have the title, the post, the author, categories, tags and all. So this says that the admin posted this. It could have been other people who are also users on the website, but we'll leave that to another video. So currently we have, I think, just two categories, which is the uncategorized and new slider. If you remember, when setting up the slider, we chose that it should be scrolling the new slider post. Okay, so this is what was meant by the new slider post. We have just two images here. Okay, can you see it? Two images. On this slider, it's just two images. 1, 2 or 1, 2. Okay, that shows that we are on track. So basically, if you want to edit any post, there's the quick edit and there's the robust edit. The quick edit is what you have here. It just pops out quickly and then you can quickly do some few things. But if you want to do a robust editing, you will hit the proper edit button. So this is a place to do a much more robust editing of the post. So basically, like we always know, WordPress is a very user-friendly content management system. So this is already telling you that with this plus sign you can add a block, basically everything there is. So for document, your featured image, very important. The image you see on the slider showing is what is coming up here. So whenever you come to post images, they usually have featured images. Okay, so for the SEO of your page, you can use your Yoast SEO to set this page. Okay, so that's that about posts. So when you are done, you can update or you can preview how it looks like. Let's see what the preview looks like. Okay, so this is what the preview looks like. This is the image that we're expecting to load under featured place. Let me just refresh this page one more time. As you can see, it has loaded. So you can always change this image to anything you want. So let's say we want to replace this image. So we come to the upload files, we come to select files, and then we can look for the graphics, for the Innova graphics, which is this. Okay, so you can use that as the display. So we're now going to, this is it, then we're now going to update it. Okay, if I refresh this page, this is what it's going to look like. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? Now let's change this further. This is it. Okay, so one-stop unisex store, local and foreign made, ready to rock items. So I'm just going to update now, and then here is what we have. Good. So this is the text: one-stop unisex store, local and foreign made, ready to wear. Sorry, local and foreign made, ready to rock items. So I think I made a mistake there. I'm just going to remove this stuff. So and I'm going to update it. So this is it. Local and foreign ready to rock items. So that is it. So that is how to change. If you want to change the second image, you come back here. You come back here and you edit it here. So we can say choose us, while this will be best fashion, best, can say best online fashion store by, let's say, Business Day Awards. This is just, I'm just cooking this up, so it could be anything. And then I want to change the featured image. So I'm going to go to the folder containing the product. So I'm looking for a decent image to choose. So this is carrying a hat and a glass, so it makes sense. It's carrying a hat and a glass, hat for crowning your effort. Let me just use that for now. Okay, so we're done, and then I'm going to hit I want it to load, then I hit the update button. Okay, so I can now refresh. So this second image is going to disappear right now. So this is the first one, and then the second one is going to roll in now. This is the second one. It says choose us, best online fashion store by Business Day Awards. Do you understand? So this is you bragging to your customers, giving them all reasons why they should choose you. So you really need to know how to put very catchy statements and sales pitches on your website so that it can trigger your visitors to become customers. Okay, so that is how to work with posts. So we are done with that. Same thing applies to other posts. So let's go to pages. For pages, I want you to refresh your memory on what you have read already from the manual. Okay, so for a standard e-commerce website, you have pages like this. You have to have the cart page, you need to have the checkout page. Okay, this checkout page is brought in by the WooCommerce plugin that was imported. The privacy policy page was brought in by WooCommerce. While the theme itself had its own WooCommerce, it had its own pages. Okay, basically what I'm saying is that the theme I installed had its own pages, and there are some pages also that were brought in by WooCommerce, especially this checkout and cart, and privacy policy. So between these two privacy policy, one came with the theme and one came with the WooCommerce plugin. This sample page and sample page, it means one came with the theme and one came with WooCommerce. So basically, if you want to edit any page, you can do a quick edit or you can go for the full edit. So this is it. First of all, let me even note something. If you notice from post, you could see edit with Elementor, and you remember Elementor is a drag and drop page builder. Okay, so basically this is what it looks like. WooCommerce checkout. I told you it was brought in by WooCommerce. And then let's see what's happening. There's no featured image, so it's just to show you how to edit pages. So let's go and see another page, such as privacy policy. So pages are usually the same across all aspects of the website, whereas for posts you can see some posts on homepage and not see some posts on some category page, like that. So basically, who we are is found on this website. Just feel free to edit it. Feel free to edit it. These are default privacy policy, whatever. So you can read through it and make sure you edit it very, very well. Okay, so and whenever you are done, just make sure you hit the publish button. So with this, we have come to the end of this video on how pages and posts work. So this is for e-commerce, but basically that is how it works for blog, for corporate website, for resume website and all. So thank you for watching.